So we just got to Bodnant Gardens. 2 adults, £17 each. This is the way in to the ticket office. I think this is like a botany garden. I'm going in it. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Obviously you're not supposed to step over this. That's the main house. Look at those lupins. There's quite a few restrictions, isn't there?
There's a lot of them.
I didn't expect that. Yeah, there's ropes everywhere with restrictions. I'd have to hop the fence. Right, I'm gonna. Can only get thrown out. There you go, look how gorgeous that is. Hi Jace!
Hello.
Which way do you want to go? This way? Oh, look at the colours there. Look at the colours there on the iris.
It looks like it goes in a circle around there, so I'll turn it this way.
We should have picked up a map. Rhododendrons.
Ooh.
Let's see if I can get the tree in.
Don't go near that tree.
Oh, it's a shame we've just missed the main flowering for the rhododendrons. Gorgeous. Wow, look at this. So nice. And a lily pond, that looks amazing. Yeah, that looks really nice. It's beautiful. Wow, they're nice, aren't they?
It's dead. It's dead. Why is it died? That's the shame, isn't it? It's dead. What a shame.
I can't help laughing. Look at that. That is something, that is, isn't it?
It is.
Wow!
Beautiful, like.
So impressive.
It's very nice.
Yeah. That is massive, that is, isn't it?
Mm.
Wow. There's still some rhododendrons out, as you can see. There's some on that side. A lot of them are finished flowering now. It's a shame. Some still in flower though. It looks really nice. Do you know what? Walk 10 paces behind me, yeah? That's the best thing, Jason. Walk 10 paces behind me, please.
No, I'm good there.
That's like something you do after you've been married for a while. So we need to go up there.
Yeah.
That way round. Right, I think we found something. I think. Maybe not. Gorgeous. I can't believe the size of that tree over there. Oh, look at the lilies, lily pads.
Wow. Wow.
I'll have to get photographs of them.
Look at that tree as well.
Look at that. And you've got the house up there. It's gorgeous. We've got a few statues up here. It's like a bit of a maze going on. So this is that mill. I love the moss on the roof. So the water goes all the way down that way. Wow, look at that. It's the old mill, the wheel inside. It's amazing that. Right, it's back up, isn't it? All the way up there. And we need to find this wisteria arch. Amazing that, isn't it? Huh? So we're off to back to the top and we're in search of the wisteria arch. Haven't found it yet. It's hiding from us.
Yeah, that'll make a good picture.
Want your picture taken? Yeah.
Can't even get the picture all I want now.
We found the arch. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. We completely missed this at the end. It's near the entrance, but we completely missed it somehow. That looks amazing. So happy I've seen it now. Look at that. Wow, it's like a fountain of flowers. We thought we'd take a walk to the beach, seeing as we were here. We'll go through here. Oh, it looks gorgeous.
Am I going to be on YouTube?
You might be. Yeah. Do you want to be on YouTube?
Page.
Say hi. So you're locals, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they have got a YouTube channel. Anyway, have a nice day. Enjoying the beach. Hi. Oh, it's gorgeous, isn't it? It's really nice. You can just see Conwy Bay hills over there.